Crown.
Yeah.
Hello?
I'm ready to fuck your ass up right now.
I can't hear you.
You are no fucking man put no fucking fear in my heart.
I can't hear you, motherfucker.
They call me bloody Loco. You heard?
Crown.
They call me bloody Loco. You heard?
Hello?
Pussy ass nigga.
Hello?
Bloody fucking Loco. You thinking shit is a game. Ain't nothing fucking game. You heard?
What? Hello?
Better fucking recognize.
What? Piece of shit?
I don't give a fuck about nobody else in this fucking train. You thinking shit is a game. Ain't nothing fucking game.
Piece of
You
shit,
heard?
nigga. What the fuck you talking about, piece of bitch?
Better fucking recognize.
I know you are, motherfucker. Asshole, come over, asshole.
Where you at?
What?
Give me the address and I'll be there. We can meet right now, motherfucker. I don't care.
Who you talking to, asshole?
I didn't call your fucking place.
What?
Yo, I'm well fucking connected. You're not fucking with just anybody, alright?
Who the fuck you, asshole?
We can meet right now, motherfucker. I don't care.
I know motherfucker about who you talking to, asshole.
Come through with your bitch ass badge and your bitch ass friends, cause I'm well connected,
Shut the fuck up,
motherfucker.
asshole. Go fuck your mom, motherfucker. Don't call here again.
Don't even
Motherfucker,
know
you
why I'm
call here
talking
again,
to
I'm
you,
gonna
bitch
give you a
ass.
fucking number to your daddy, asshole.
I don't even know why I'm talking to you, little bitch ass.
I know who you are, motherfucker.
You going to see me tomorrow morning?
Nah, motherfucker, you can come over right now so I can rip your ass, man.
You want to meet right now?
Yeah.
You want to talk to me?
Talk to you about what? I'm gonna fuck you up. That's what I'm gonna do.
I got people in the fucking feds too I can call. I can make a phone call.
Go ahead, also, asshole, do what you wanna do, motherfucker. Don't call here again.
You don't know who the fuck I am, dog.
I ain't give a fuck what the fuck you are, motherfucker.
You hear the slang, but you don't know who the fuck I am.
I ain't wanna fucking care, man.
You don't know who you talking to. That's
I
what
don't
I'm
even
trying to
care,
tell
man.
you. Listen, I don't care.
Shut the fuck up, asshole. Go
Don't
hang
give
up
a
the fucking phone. Do whatever the fuck you can do, asshole. Don't call here again.
I don't give a fuck.
Nah.
I don't give a fuck. Bitch ass
You're talking to
nigga.
yourself, asshole.
Bring your fucking bitch ass pistol. Come on, man. I didn't call your fucking place.
Crown.
Who is here?
Hello?
You get fucked up. Don't call my fucking house. Fuck you.
I gotta make some phone calls.
Wings.
Bitch, why you gotta take the cop for that every night?
Whoa, hello?
Can the brother get some mayonnaise up in this bitch?
What'd you say?
Dumbass crackers!
Huh?
Oh, when I gotta do my own damn makeup now? I gotta run the whole fucking world and do my own makeup?
Just keep talking.
Yeah.
Oh, when I gotta do my own damn makeup now?
Yeah.
Bitch is crazy!
Gotta do your own makeup.
And you know these motherfuckers gonna say no before I even suggest some shit.
Uh-huh.
I will punch you in the mouth. You gonna ruin these pants. They cost more than your shitty ass home.
Hello?
Remember that?
I'm gonna get off the phone now, okay?
Hot, diggity, daggity, mama
That's
say,
a
mama
really nice
samu,
gesture.
maku sam. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, shit. Up in this bitch.
Wings.
I'm the most powerful motherfucker in the goddamn world.
How many more times are you gonna call today?
Keep messing around and see what happens. Just see what happens. Watch.
Do you want some wings?
I am not a Muslim.
What'd you say?
I am not a Muslim.
You're not a what?
Because of Martin Luther King Jr., I can walk into any white man's house without invitation and say, this is my house now. Get the fuck out.
You're gonna kick someone out of their own house?
And you know these motherfuckers gonna say no before I even suggest some shit.
That's pretty dramatic.
Please don't make me watch a grown-ass man in a goddamn dress.
Okay, I'm getting off the phone now, bye.
Ain't no reason for you to get angry, man. Oh, hell no.